Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Illinois. It's actually pretty easy, but it's also easy to mess up. So please pay attention all the way to the end because this will help you avoid delays at the DMV, avoid getting scammed, and make sure the transfer goes smoothly. So first, the main thing that you need here is the seller's signature and the seller's printing their name in the correct spot on the title. So that's the most important part. And before you do anything else, double check that the VIN number on the title matches the VIN on the car. Also check the title doesn't say salvage or show lion, unless the seller already told you and you agreed to it. So next, get insurance on the car before you drive it. So most of the time you can do it fast on an app, but don't drive it without it. So in Illinois, the seller keeps the license plate tag. So if they take the plate off the car, that's normal. So after that, keep it simple. Bring the signed title and proof of insurance to the DMV and tell them it's your first time. They can help you fill out anything else that you need. And if you want to be extra safe, you can print the RU50 tax form from the Illinois Secretary of State website, and you can also make a basic bill of sale with the VIN and vehicle info. So take a photo of the bill of sale with your driver's license and the seller's driver's license in the same picture. So just so you have everything saved. And one important warning. Don't write on the back of the title. If you mess something up, it can avoid the title and cause a bigger problem. Also expect taxes when you transfer, usually at least $100 to $200, and try to transfer the title within 30 days because there may be a $20 fine if you're late. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.